fixed, search for run, type the following text ncpa.cpl, click enter. The network page will appear. If you are using Ethernet, go with Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. Disable it and wait for 5 to 10 seconds after enable it. Once enable complete after, come back and search for CMD. Click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig /first DNS. Click enter. ipconfig /release. Click enter. Scroll down ipconfig /renew. Click enter. Net sh winsock reset. Click enter. Net sh int ip reset. This is important settings. Click enter and exit it. After that, the next step, search for Windows Defender 5.1. Click it. Click allow an app or features for Windows Defender 5.1. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox and make sure it should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not available, means click allow another app and browse it. Click browse and go to the address of the application and add it. So this is how to add it. I skipped because I already have. The next step, search for run. Type the following text %local app data %. Click enter. Scroll down and search for Roblox. Search for local storage. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folders inside the log. Come back. Search for temp capture storage and delete the files and folder inside. Once completing this all things, come back. Click settings. Click Windows Update and make sure your Windows should be up to date. If any pending items having, means you need to download and install it. Make it up to date. After that, you need to come back and restart your PC. Thank you.